Ever press the start button on your Mazda CX-5 and nothing happens? You're not alone. Let's figure out what's going on. First, check your key fob. A dead battery in the fob is the most common cause. Try holding the fob closer to the start button sometimes, that's all it takes. Still nothing? Your CX-5 needs to detect the brake pedal being pressed. Press it firmly while starting. If the brake lights don't come on, there might be a brake switch issue. Next, check for error messages on your dashboard. See key not detected? Your fob battery is probably dead or there's interference from other devices. Try your spare key fob. If you see a battery warning, your car's battery might be low. Dim lights or slow cranking sound. Jump-start the car or call for help. If none of these steps work, it could be a blown fuse or a deeper electrical issue. Don't force the button. Call a professional to avoid damage. Remember, most problems are quick fixes. A fresh key fob battery or a jump start gets most CX-5s moving again. And if not, your Mazda dealer can help. Stay safe, and don't let a push button keep you parked.